Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Boxycharm December Base Box and Winter Luxe Box. Sign up using the link in my description box for a free gift. Now let's get to unboxing. This month's Base Box theme is 'Tis the Season for Being Extra. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Lapalette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Cream, Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Eyeshadow Palette, Laruce Beauty Special Edition 3-piece Eye Brush Set, and the Realher Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. Now let's see what we have inside the Luxe box. We have the Wakeheart Prism Perfume, Dew of the Gods The Weekend Glow Challenge, Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum, Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, Mally Beauty Best Dressed Lids Eyeshadow Palette, One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer, Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray, and the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products starting with skincare. First, I'm testing out the Lapalette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. This is a vitamin C based cleanser. It has a jelly-like consistency. This brand is new to Boxy and features natural ingredients and eco-friendly packaging. It smells very citrusy, just like lemons. Next, I'm trying the Dew of the Gods The Weekend Glow Challenge. This includes 2 masks, Saturday for rehydrating and Sunday for repairing. I'm going to use the Saturday mask. I just noticed these are super expensive. It's 2 for $40 when usually sheet masks are maybe $5 or $10 for one. I really needed that. My skin is so dry in the winter. After that, I'm applying the Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum. This contains a hyaluronic acid alternative known as tremella mushroom. I feel like this would be even more hydrating if they also included hyaluronic acid in their ingredients. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm using the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Cream. This is the most expensive product across both boxes for $89. This is supposed to prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including the lids. To set my brows in place, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I've tried this before and it's not my favorite. It just doesn't keep my brows in place all day. Now let's take a look at the Mally Beauty Best Dressed Lids Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 14-pan palette for $45. Let's swatch it. It's mostly shimmer shades, which is unfortunate, but let's go ahead and create a look with it. I'm using the Laruce Beauty Special Edition 3-piece eye brush set to apply my eyeshadow. This is an exclusive product to Boxy that features a tapered blending, detailed blending, and shadow brush. First, I'm dipping the detailed blending brush into the shade called Romantic Picnic. I'm applying this to the inner and outer part of the lid. Next, I'm grabbing the matte shade called Book Club with the tapered blending brush. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. This brush is super soft. Now I'm taking the shadow brush and picking up the shade called Date Night. I'm applying this to the center of the lid. For primer, let's try out the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This is a blurring, mattifying primer. I like the sound of blurring, but not the part about mattifying since I have dry skin. Unfortunately, it does have the tendency to pill, as you can see from the product left over on my fingertips. Next, we have the Realher Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. This is a finely milled powder. It's supposed to be completely flashback and talc-free. It's not translucent, but it's not dark either. However, I am worried about it oxidizing because I have super pale skin and always use translucent powder because of that. To set my face, I'm using the Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. I haven't heard of this brand, so I looked it up and it just started 2 months ago, so hopefully this doesn't break me out or anything. Finally, for lips, we have the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. Fenty always outdoes it with their packaging, and their applicators are always so unique. This is in the shade Uncuffed. It's a rosy mauve color. The applicator dispenses a lot of product and it's immediately super opaque. Here's the finished look using products from the Boxycharm December Base Box and Winter Luxe Box. Let me know your favorite product that you received from Boxycharm in 2022 in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.